Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Dynamite on guitar using an easy method. We'll start by learning just 3 open chords: G major, C major, and D major. These are fundamental chords that many songs use, making them great to master. Focus on pressing down firmly with your fingertips to get clear, ringing notes. Practice switching between them slowly, ensuring each chord sounds clean before moving to the next. This foundational step is crucial for building your confidence and skill. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A simple yet effective pattern for Dynamite is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand loose and relaxed. This helps maintain a steady rhythm and prevents tension. Focus on hitting all 6 strings evenly with each strum, creating a full and consistent sound. Practice this pattern slowly at first without chords to get the feel for the rhythm before combining it with your chord changes. This will build your rhythmic foundation. Now, let's put the chords and strumming together with the song's progression. The main chord progression for Dynamite is a repeating sequence of G major, C major, D major, and then back to C major. You'll play each chord for 2 full counts, or 2 measures, before smoothly transitioning to the next. Try listening to the original song to internalize the timing and feel of these changes. This consistent 4-chord loop forms the backbone of the entire piece, making it easy to follow along. To truly master Dynamite, consistent practice is key. Begin by practicing with a metronome set to a slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, focusing on clean chord changes and a steady strum. As your accuracy and comfort grow, gradually increase the tempo by 5 or 10 beats per minute. Once you feel confident, try playing along with a simplified backing track or even the original song at a slower speed. Remember, patience and persistence will lead to great results on your guitar journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.